I don't really have a specific dream job yet, just because I'm really not sure what I want to do. But I feel like a dream job for me in the nutrition field would probably be teaching people or finding ways to get across to people ways to cook for themselves in a way that's cheap, it's healthy, it's fast, it's efficient in their schedule, as well as things that people like. And I feel like a reason for this is because I've been cooking for myself a lot lately in the past 2 years at school, as well as just like in high school and stuff. And I've really come to enjoy it just because it's creative and it tastes delicious. And sometimes it's a lot cheaper than something you can get at a restaurant. And it's really fun to do with your friends or whatever. And I've come to really like have a passion for cooking. And I feel like some people just don't, and I don't really understand why, because it's a lot more expensive, as well as it's unhealthy to eat out all the time. I just don't see how you get the proper nutrients that way. And I feel like this class can help me pursue exactly what you can get in a restaurant and how you can get that at home in just a different way. And that's a big lifestyle change for some people, being able to cook rather than eating out all the time. And some people it might work better than they think because they have some misconception that it takes a long time to eat something that's healthy and to make something that's healthy, I mean. And I feel like two or three ways that I could kind of get this done is first of all finding an audience that needs it. Like I know off the top of my head, my sister, she doesn't know how to cook anything. She can't even make eggs. So I feel like finding people who really need this type of I guess guidance and have an interest in learning how to cook and cook for themselves and their family, um, that gives like more of a reason for this job to be happening. And I feel like another thing that I could do is go travel and study other cultures and how they don't have a problem with like obesity like the United States does. So implementing ways that they cook as well as some of the ingredients that they use in their recipes would be cool too. And I feel like lastly, I guess just learning new techniques and learning different ways that food goes together and spices and all that type of stuff. So yeah, I think all those three would help me get this job.